Right now, we have oil near session lows down about 10.5%. Of course, this on the very positive headline, or I would think it's a positive headline, that Ukraine saying that they're ready to compromise, which is very hopeful. And we don't know about Vladimir Putin, obviously, but at least one side, it seems as though maybe something positive is happening here. Now, on the idea that perhaps the bans on Russian oil and that there's not going to be a supply issue to such a degree around this crisis, oil has come down. But you can also just say that oil should never have gone up as much as it did. It was fearful buying, lack of liquidity. And so now you're really seeing a pretty strong reversal of it all. WTI crude is currently at about 110 barrels. $110 per barrel.
Yeah, it's funny. So I was looking up. And in fairness, you were saying that you thought it had gone up too far and it might well come back down.
Well, when you take a look at any chart, and if it goes straight up, physics, a 90-degree angle cannot hold. And we've seen it so many times. Gold, silver. The only market that I've never seen it reverse back down, interestingly enough, is Tesla. But any other market, when you see a parabolic uptrend, it tends to reverse completely.
At the same time, we have to keep some perspective here. We're saying, boy, it's down 10%. Brent is still $113 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate crude is still $110 a barrel. You know, 6 months ago, if you said this was possible, you would think it was insane. 2 years ago, it was negative.
Well, people agreed. Well, it's interesting, actually, because oil right now having it, at one point it was having its best day since April of 2020, or excuse me, its worst day since April of 2020 when we had that horrific sell-off. But right now I think the idea is it's collapsing back down on itself. If you take a look at the charts, you're going to see an absolute reversal of the trend. So the question is, how far does it reverse? It probably does not stop here at 110. It could probably go back below 100. You could even make the case it goes significantly lower.